September winner is out. Who do you guys think is the winners for September?
Come on, there's some winner over there. Someone is gonna win $200. The winners for the $200 is 1, 2, 3, boom, $200. The winners for the $200 is
Congratulations.
the fourth to the hustler, $500. $500 going to. Let's go. We have a winner. We have a winner. We have a winner. The $500 goes to.
Congratulations.
The rising star. Go ahead. Let's do it.
600.
600. Let's go. Let's go.
Congratulations.
That's it.
Congratulations.
Peak performance winner. Let's go. Roll it.
Let's go.
Keep
Let's
going.
go. Let's go. 700.
Go.
Congrats.
I love it. A winner for $1,000. It could be anyone. Let's find out. Let's go. What is it?
Congrats.
Congratulations. 1,000.
Congratulations. You deserve the $1,000, buddy. I am so excited.
Are you one of the winners? Let's find out in the next video.